it's still grey and cold outside, so let's make some head protection. I will show you how to make a beanie within 5 minutes. Get your old sweater and cut out a piece of fabric big enough to make the beanie. The length will be the circumference of the head, and then this will be the height of the beanie. Fold the fabric 2 times and then cut out a point shape at the top. So when you unfold the fabric, you will end up with 4 points. Then first I sew the seam on the outside, and then I connect the other points together. Turn the right side out. Done. And a few minutes later I have a beanie to keep my head warm. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe.